Did you know there's a secret nerve in your body that can calm your anxiety, boost your digestion, and even improve your sleep, all without medication? It's called the vagus nerve, and today I'll show you simple, powerful ways to activate it naturally. Plus, we are making two healing, delicious, sticky recipes that your gut will love. Hi, I'm Rashmi, your holistic health coach. Welcome to day 4 of our wellness week. So, guys, today we are talking about vagus nerve stimulation. The vagus nerve is like a super highway that connects your brain to your gut, heart, and lungs. When this nerve is active, your body goes into a healing state. It relaxes, digestion is better, and you feel calmer. In today's video, we'll explore simple, natural ways to stimulate this incredible nerve and shift your body into rest and heal mode. Let's begin. When you meditate, especially with deep breathing or chanting, you slow down your heart rate, calm your thoughts, and stimulate the vagus nerve through your parasympathetic system. Yoga especially poses the poses that involve gentle twists, inversions, cat-cow position, or deep breathing like pranayama increases vagal tone. It helps your body to move from fight or flight into healing and restoration. And the other thing is, guys, cold shower. That may feel intense at first, but they're a powerful tool for calming your body and mind. When cold water hits your face and neck, it stimulates the vagus nerve, especially through receptors around the throat and heart. This sends a signal to your brain to slow the heart rate, deepen your breath, and shifts from stress mode to rest and digest mode. Next is deep breathing. Your breath is one of the fastest way to activate the vagus nerve. Try this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, then exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. Just a few minutes a day of deep belly breathing can calm your entire nervous system. Next is gargling. I'm not kidding. It's not just for sore throats. It's actually a simple daily habit that stimulates the vagus nerve. Do try to do gargling every day for 30 seconds. The vagus nerve runs through the muscles in the back of your throat. When you gargle vigorously with water, you activate those throat muscles, sending signals to the brain that helps tone the vagus nerve. Next is singing, humming, chanting Om. These create vibrations in your vocal cords and throat area, directly stimulating the vagus nerve. Om chanting is particularly powerful. It combines sound, breath, and focus. And there's another Brahmi pranayam, which also helps to stimulate the vagus nerve. And next is foot, neck, and ear massage. Foot massage relaxes the entire nervous system. Neck massage near the carotid artery, like side of the throat, can calm the heartbeat. Ear massage, especially behind and around the ear lobe, helps stimulates the vagus nerve. Another is, guys, is laughing and social connections. Laughter naturally stimulates the vagus nerve. It lowers your stress hormone, boosts feel-good chemicals like serotonin and endorphins. And social connections, like it's really important to be socially connected. Walking barefoot on natural surfaces like grass, sand, or soil, again, it reduces stress and inflammation. And this contact with earth helps balance the autonomic nervous system. Next is eye. Look left and hold for 30 seconds. Look right and hold for 30 seconds. Like gentle eye movements, looking side to side, diagonally, and palming activates the vagus nerve by relaxing cranial nerves and easing tension in the nervous system. Now let's make a delicious quinoa sweet potato broccoli tikki. It's very easy, guys. Here I'm just boiling some quinoa. You can take 1:1 ratio and just boil it. I soak quinoa overnight, and then you're good to go. And here I have boiled some sweet potato. All you have to do, just mash it. Sweet potato are high in fiber and beta carotene. It supports gut bacteria. It reduces inflammation. Broccoli is really high in vitamin C. I'm just roasting some broccoli with a little bit of coconut oil. Quinoa is like complete protein. I use quinoa in many of my recipes. It's also high in magnesium. And paneer, as you all know, it's a good fat, high in calcium, support good hormones. And broccoli supports detox and gut health. All you have to do is just mix everything together and then add all the spices. I usually use mixed herbs, cumin, little bit of coriander, chaat masala, and then a little bit of amchur powder. And I've started using all organic masalas. All Indian spices are organic. to avoid any pesticides or heavy metals. And then I'm adding some ginger to give a good kick. So all you have to do is just mix it thoroughly and put some coriander, and then make it. Here I'm adding some quinoa now. All you have to do is just mix it and make the shape of the tikkis, and you are good to go. You can even store this mixture in the refrigerator if you don't want to make it the same day. And if you want to give it to your kids lunch, it's very easy to make it in the morning. So do try this recipe. It's very easy, high in fiber, rich in protein, and absolutely great for your gut health. I've dropped the full recipe in the description box, so don't forget to check it out and let me know if you give it a try. Also, if you try any of the vagus nerve techniques, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it made you feel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to come up with more of the holistic health tips. So next we'll be making the beetroot tikki. That also is very easy. I have shared the recipe of beetroot and millet recipe in the description box. So do try it out, that recipe as well. And here I finished making these tikkis. You can eat it with chutney, and I know your kids will love it too. It's a good way to feed them vegetables, especially broccoli, sweet potato. They don't like the taste otherwise. So do try out this recipe. Here I'm boiling some millets. Again, millet, it's very important to soak the millet overnight to reduce the phytic acid. And so here I've just I boiled the potatoes and grated some paneer, and cooked the millet on the side, chopped some bell peppers, onion, carrots, and just very easy. Mix everything up and boil the beetroot, and I also sauteed some carrots and beetroot to give it a good taste. And here see I'm mixing paneer, potatoes, beetroot, and I've also added some bell pepper, onion, paneer. Give a good mix and add all the spices which I have mentioned in the description box. Again, all my spices are organic to avoid any pesticides or heavy metals. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants and nitrates that supports detoxification, heart health. It's a good way to feed your kids these vegetables. So do try out this recipe. Millet is gluten free. People who are looking for gluten free options, it's a great recipe to try. It supports digestion, balances blood sugar, good for diabetic patient. I always add ginger and little garlic. Here I'm adding this is the little millet which I soaked it overnight. It's very easy to cook, very good to taste. So just give a thorough mix. I always add protein to increase the protein intake. It's rich in calcium, and bell pepper again high in vitamins. I also added some peanuts, crushed peanuts, and I've added some cranberries. This gives a really good taste to the tikkis. So it's a different twist. Do try this tikkis. Spices, just mix them well and shape it into small flat tikkis. All you have to do is just heat a pan with minimum oil or ghee, and you can shallow fry them on medium heat until golden on both sides. Serve them hot with mint chutney or homemade probiotic rich yogurt. So this recipe is shared in the description box, and let me know if you like this recipe, and please subscribe my channel so I can share more recipes with you guys. So thank you for watching. I hope this beautiful healing tikki brings flavor and nourishment to your plate and your gut. And remember, when you combine this wholesome food with calming practice like vagus nerve stimulation, you're not just feeding your body, you're nurturing your mind and soul too. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holistic health recipes, wellness tips, and mindful living tools. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.